Hello, this is the Johnston VT651, part of the V range of truck-mounted sweeper products manufactured by Johnston. If it could speak, it would sell itself. But since it can't, I've been asked to give you some tips for the best way to present it to a potential customer. And the best way for me to do this is to talk directly to you as if you were that customer. Let's get started. So why would you want to buy a Johnston V-range sweeper? This new machine is the result of over 50 years continuous development based on the feedback we receive from customers. It has over 1,000 upgrades from the previous model. The vehicle has 4 areas of excellence, and in each of these it comfortably outperforms rival machines. First, it offers outstanding performance. Second, it has the lowest cost of ownership in its class. Third, it's unmatched for reliability, safety and ergonomics. And fourth, it's environmentally friendly, absolutely crucial for operation in modern towns and cities. The V-range is available in 3 different body sizes for mounting on chassis between 10 and 18 tonnes and can be configured in either single or twin engine formats to suit operational requirements and preferences around the world. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the power pack. The T in VT designates a twin or auxiliary engine model. It is possible to select a number of different auxiliary engines based on, firstly, the power required for the application, and secondly, the regulatory emission requirements of the territory. Whichever choice is made, the engine delivers its power to the fan through the same highly efficient mechanical step-up gearbox and fluid flywheel. A good point to remember is that in order to fit the fan drive system, many of our competitors either drive the fan hydraulically, which generates more heat and higher fuel consumption, increasing the opportunity for failure, or they belt drive the fan, which is crude and requires frequent maintenance to avoid throwing belts and associated damage and downtime. The Johnston design delivers outstanding suction performance at very low revs, infinitely adjustable between just 1,000 and 1,500 engine RPM, with boost up to 2,000 RPM if required. The result is reliable performance and a significantly better fuel economy than the competitors. The 190 litre fuel tank is more than enough for a full day's work, so no time is wasted returning to base for refuelling. It can be used just for the auxiliary engine, using untaxed diesel depending on the market, or for supplying both engines. Johnston also provide a VS power pack option, the S now referring to a single engine. In this configuration, the sweeper and the chassis are powered by the chassis engine via a Johnston designed hydrostatic gearbox and control system. The VS version allows the operator to infinitely control the sweeper forward speed whilst in hydrostatic mode. Unique to the Johnston design is the ability to travel up to 40 km per hour and the stepless finesse of control when the nozzle is deployed. A cruise control option can also be specified. These sweepers have outstanding performance. Trailing channel brushes and wide sweep brushes not only do a great cleaning job, but they push back out of the way in the event of an impact. Many of our competitors use heavy forward-facing brushes that are prone to expensive damage should they collect a lamppost, curb, bollard or other solid object. The wide, rubber-lined, cast aluminium nozzles provide the best possible airflow characteristics that convey the debris through the heavy-duty trunking to a low entry point in the hopper. Note again that many of our competitors have a very high entry point that requires a much longer and more expensive rubber trunking. The hopper itself is stainless steel as standard. This is not just any stainless steel. Johnston uses 1.4003 stainless that's corrosion resistant, retains its flexibility and is several times more wear resistant than mild steel. The hopper also features a unique full width safety prop that is automatically deployed as the body lifts and is power released to return it to its working position, all without the need to reach under the body. Debris is deposited in the large hopper void before the exhaust air passes through 2 high-capacity meshes in the hopper roof that incidentally now feature quick-release handles for ease of maintenance. Air passes to the fan and then to atmosphere. The V-range has outstanding dust control that meets the most stringent 3-star European PM10 compliance and boasts the North American South Coast AQMD certification. The high-capacity water tank is below the hopper floor, which keeps the centre of gravity low and the weight transfer while sweeping neutral. Low-pressure water jets are positioned at key locations to ensure the operator has ideal dust control performance while not wasting water. In addition, Johnston offers a unique water recirculation system that can extend the sweeper on station time by 100%, reusing a valuable resource and reducing the need to waste time transiting between the yard and the sweep site. The control system is split into 3 modules. All the controls likely to require frequent adjustment during the sweeping process are grouped on a door pod, perfectly placed for the operator. All setup controls and information displays are provided on the centre console. And finally, there is the pendant control. This is connected via a long wander lead that allows the operator to position himself to open and close the rear door, tip the body, or balance the wide sweep brush safely, either from the cab or by observing the work area outside the cab. In all the V-range models, the operator knows exactly what the machine is doing. And central to this is the 7-inch monitor located in the centre console, which warns when something needs attention, such as low auxiliary oil or coolant levels, or that a service is needed, or the hopper is raised. The system records all diagnostic information, which can be viewed through intuitive menus. Operators can either diagnose a fault themselves or provide accurate information to a technical centre. The same monitor also provides the reverse camera option, eliminating the need for a second CCTV monitor that often obstructs a driver's view of the road. Up to 3 further cameras can be added to enhance the view and safety of operation. Uniquely and as standard, the complete machine history and key performance indicators can also be downloaded onto a USB stick for quick analysis. As well as a wide range of data, this will also tell you just how little fuel the operator has used each day during the machine's working life. There is a huge range of options available on this machine. The wander hose with its unique turntable design and 270-degree reach. This option can be used to suck out gullies or just remove debris which is out of reach of the brushes. Spring balance is provided as standard, and a hydraulic assist power boom is provided as an option. Superwash high pressure washer system is another very popular option. Additional spray bars help clean the road surface, and a self-rewinding hose reel and spray lance is provided for washing street furniture or the machine itself at the end of the day. In terms of quality, the environment and health and safety, Johnston leads the way both with its award-winning machine designs and in its fundamental company processes. As a result, Johnston is able to supply extensive support through its worldwide dealer network, all of which is why Johnston is the supplier of choice for major cities, contractors and airports, and why Johnston is sweeping the world. Trust me, I'm an engineer.